Have you ever wanted to sprinkle a little bit of authentic Irish charm into your greetings while exploring the Emerald Isle? Knowing a few basic phrases can truly enhance your interactions and open doors to warmer conversations. It is a wonderful way to show respect for the local culture, and it adds a personal touch to your journey. The simple answer is that you use Maidin Mhaith for greetings exclusively in the morning. This beautiful Irish phrase translates directly to good morning and is the perfect way to start your day when encountering anyone before noon. Using it at the appropriate time demonstrates thoughtful engagement and appreciation for the Irish language. The reason for its morning-only use stems from its literal translation. Maidin means morning and Mhaith means good. Just as in English, where you would not say good morning in the afternoon or evening, the same rule applies strictly in Irish. This precise timing is crucial because Irish, like many languages, has specific greetings for different parts of the day, reflecting a deep connection to daily rhythms and natural light. To use Maidin Mhaith effectively, simply utter it with a smile when you first meet someone in the morning hours. Whether you are walking into a small cafe for breakfast, passing a local on a scenic pathway, or greeting the staff at your accommodation, this phrase is your go-to. If someone says Maidin Mhaith to you, a warm and friendly Maidin Mhaith dit is a polite response, meaning good morning to you. It is fascinating to note how consistently these time-specific greetings are used in Irish. While Gaeilge is a versatile general greeting meaning, God be with you, which can be used anytime, opting for Maidin Mhaith when appropriate shows a deeper understanding and effort. You might also hear Trathnana Ma for good afternoon and Iha Mhaith for good night, each perfectly suited for their respective times, further highlighting this cultural nuance. Incorporating Maidin Mhaith into your morning routine while in Ireland does more than just convey a simple greeting. It bridges a small cultural gap. It is a delightful way to respectfully immerse yourself in local customs, making your travel experiences more memorable and authentic. By learning these simple, time-sensitive phrases, you are not just a tourist, but an engaged visitor who appreciates the richness of Irish heritage.